Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to show you how to take the middle seat out of the middle row in the 2025 or 2026 Acura MDX. In fact, the current generation as a whole has this feature. We're going to have a strap right up here on the front, but the first thing you need to do is drop this seat back using this strap. And then we're going to pull on the strap here on the front. And what that's going to do is allow me to tilt the seat forward. I'd say the seat maybe weighs about 30 or 40 pounds. You're just going to pick that up and take it right out. It's that easy to do. Now to put it back in, I'm going to let Lloyd on the camera there show you the mounting points that are going to be right here. That's where you need to anchor it. It's not that hard to do. This is actually a pretty light seat. But once you get that in there, let's see if we can get this in. There we go. There's how it's going to look when it's in. Let me get it in just like that. That's what you're looking for. And you're going to bring it back and let's see. You're going to hear it snap into place like that. Now you'll notice it's back in place and you can put the seat back like that. Now, for those who might wonder, how do I store that? Most people are going to store that at home because they're going to be using that space for whatever they're doing and they don't need it in the vehicle. You can potentially store it in the little storage space behind the third row, but it's not really intended for that. Most people, like I say, leave it at home in the garage, something like that, so they can take advantage of all of the space they're going to have available. And for those who might ask, this is the only seat that is removable. You can't remove the outboard seats. Tell Acura down in the comments section if that's something you might want to see in the future, kind of like the Honda Odyssey. I hope this tutorial helps you out. If there's something else you'd like to see, tell me down in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.